All right, welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. We have a new GED math test question type of problem. I'm going to go over it very, very slowly, step by step. So let's just jump right on in here to it. Children's tickets, and notice I highlighted the C. To see a movie costs $9. An adult, I also highlighted the A, tickets cost $15. The movie theater sold 105 tickets and made $1,245 on ticket sales. Now, sometimes it helps to reread through here and understand in order to understand the question. So I'm going to do that again, read it twice. So children's tickets to see a movie cost $9 and adult tickets cost $15. The movie theater sold 105 tickets and made $1,245 on ticket sales. So if you have to read it 3 times, go ahead and do that as needed. All right, and continuing to read the test question, I highlighted or written in red the actual question that they're asking you. So what we read before were the facts. Now here we get into the question. Which of the following system of equations might be used to determine how many of each ticket type, adult ticket, child ticket, was sold? Okay, read it again if you need to. Which of the following system of equations might be used to determine how many of each ticket type was sold? All right, so let A equal the number of adult tickets. Let C equal the number of child tickets. Let's reread that again. Highlighted is A representing a variable. Highlighted is C representing a variable, right? That represents, if you don't know, a variable is a real number. We just don't know what that number is represented or what that variable number is, but we will find that number later on in these videos, right? So let A variable equal the number of adult tickets. Let the C variable equal the number of child tickets. Okay, so as you can see here below, we have options A, B, C, and D. And each of these, A, B, C, and D, is a system of equations, right? Go ahead and check out my videos, my playlist on the Red app, right? I go over system of equations in depth. I think there's 36 videos if you are confused, right? It'll help clarify what to do with these type of questions. And so which one of these, A, B, C, or D, is the system of equation they're talking about in this test question, right? And I'm going to go through and organize some facts in the next part video to help you in reasoning and understanding how to answer these questions, right? So let's just take a look at A, B, C, and D. So A represents the adult tickets. C represents the children tickets. And if you added those together, adult tickets and children tickets, how many total tickets would be sold? Right? That's something to start with. And you can see in A, B, C, and D, there is an A plus a C. Which one can you eliminate? As a test-taking strategy, right away I can look at B and go A plus C. Adult tickets plus children tickets equals 1,245. No, that's the total amount of money that was made, right? But what we're looking for when you add adult tickets plus children tickets, how many tickets were sold? And that was 105. So A looks pretty good, C looks pretty good, D looks pretty good. B, you can eliminate. This is a test-taking strategy. So if you're struggling and you're able to use your logic, go ahead and take off, scratch off, problem B. Now you have A, C, and D options left. Okay, that means you'll have a 25% of guessing the answer correctly if you were just going to guess. Stick around. I'd like to get into part 2 and explaining how to organize the facts and some common questions you want to ask and have answered. Again, we're not asked to solve. We just need to determine A, B, C, or D, which of these is the correct system of equations for this problem. Thank you for joining me, Math is easy. Take it step by step. Stick around for part 2. I'm going to break this down. I'm going to go very slowly. And I'm also at the end of my last part video, I'm going to give you some internet suggestions so you can practice on your own with answers so you know if you're doing it right or wrong. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, share, subscribe. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Math is easy, step by step.